A top focus at this hour, a significant technical glitch has now hit operations at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport, severely impacting air travel at this moment. Now, malfunction in the air traffic control server has resulted in multiple flights getting delayed. Remember, the ATC system is what plays a critical role in managing the air traffic. And at this point, the flights are unable to take off since last night. Now, this unforeseen issue has affected both domestic and international flights, causing a major distress to thousands of passengers. In fact, the glitch reportedly impacted both arrivals and departure for a brief period, causing congestion at boarding gates. As of now, no official update has been provided by the airlines so far. But of course, if you have a flight to board from Delhi's IGI, do check in your schedules before leaving your home, as this is the situation right now we are given to understand. A significant technical glitch, in fact, has now hit the operations at Delhi's IGI airport. It has severely impacted air travel, delaying several flights, in fact. Now, there is a malfunction in the air traffic control server, which is resulting in multiple flights getting delayed. It is basically the ATC system which plays a critical role in managing the air traffic. And this situation, in fact, started last night. The flights have been unable to take off since then. And this issue has now impacted both domestic as well as international flights, causing major distress to thousands of passengers. And it's impacting again both the arrivals as well as the departures from this airport. So if you have a flight today to board from Delhi's IGI, do check in your schedules before leaving your home, in fact. At this point, viewers, no official update has come in from the airlines. But this is the situation where we're given to understand that a technical malfunction glitch has impacted the ATC server, which is now causing a delay in the flights at the Delhi's IGI. Remember, this has been in fact happening since last night. So several flights have been impacted, and this includes both domestic as well as international flights. Now, the glitch has reportedly impacted again both the arrivals as well as the departures. It has caused congestion as well at the boarding gates. Now, at this point, viewers, we do not have any official update coming in from the airlines, but this is the latest we know about the glitch.